Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check community on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my Township, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. Now, if you want to check the different communities, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. Now go to the third section, the community, next to the news, and here you can check the Facebook community, the Instagram community, the YouTube and the others. And if you want to check one, just click to the arrow icon, for example the YouTube. And you can check the YouTube channel of the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.